So you lost your keys. Losing your keys is never a fun scenario to be in, especially when you don't have a spare key to fall back on. And that's where we come in. If you lost a traditional key, like this one, Berger Chevrolet can get you set up with a new one and get you back into your vehicle and onto the road. The first thing you'll want to do is visit our Parts Pro Shop here at Berger and speak to one of our parts consultants. Next, one of our parts consultants will ask you to provide proof of ownership, such as your current title, registration, and insurance information, and a photo ID to match. If your specific key is in stock, the process should only take about 10 minutes. During this time, one of our parts consultants will retrieve a code from General Motors that is specific to your vehicle and allows for the key to be made. Then, we'll cut your key to match its code. Your parts consultant can walk you through the final steps and answer any questions you may have along the way. And you're good to go. It's that simple to get your lost key replaced at Berger. Questions? Give us a call at 616-575-9473.